new chapter. This is chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. Now, a new word for all of you. Now, what is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is a branch of mathematics in which we study the position of any object lying in a plane. Now, so this geometry exactly gives you the position of any object in a given plane. Now, this branch actually was developed because we already are aware of the number line, but as number line is only a horizontal line, that is we draw a line from east to west direction, and if we plot any point, if we place any object in that plane, it does not exactly give the position of the respective point or respective object. So, a French philosopher and mathematician named Rene Descartes, he initially developed coordinate geometry, in which he used the concept of such two number lines, which one he placed in horizontal manner and another he placed in a vertical manner. So for that system where he has used these two number lines, that is one horizontal way and another vertical way, he gave this name as Cartesian system. Now, what is Cartesian system? In Cartesian system, there are two perpendicular lines. You can see in the figure here. This is more Cartesian system. In Cartesian system, there are two perpendicular lines x dash, which is placed horizontal, and another line y dash, which is placed vertical. And these lines are perpendicular to each other, so they intersect at the point O. As you can see in the figure, that horizontal, there are two lines y dash and x dash. These two lines are perpendicular to each other, and as they are perpendicular, they meet at a point, they intersect at a point O. Now, the point of intersection where these two lines intersect, so this point O, where these two lines x dash and y dash intersect, is called origin, which is always denoted as capital O. Then the horizontal line, this you can see is a horizontal line x dash, is called x-axis, and the vertical line, this vertical line y dash, is called y-axis. Now the directions OX and the direction OY are positive directions of x-axis and positive direction of y-axis respectively. Similarly, the directions OX dash, you can see here OX dash and OY dash are negative direction of x-axis and y-axis respectively. This is how Cartesian system is made up of. So Cartesian system is nothing but lines that is one horizontal and one vertical, intersect each other at a point O. A Cartesian system is formed. Here we get a Cartesian system. Further, in this Cartesian system, there are four coordinates. Now, what are coordinates? When the axis means this plural is written as AX, EX. This X axis and Y axis, when they intersect at one O, then we get four different parts in that plane. Each part is called coordinate. And as there are four parts, we are going to the parts in anti-clockwise direction. You can see here that X, O, Y, that is your first coordinate. Then X dash O Y is the second coordinate. X dash O Y dash is third quadrant, and X O Y dash is fourth quadrant. So there are four quadrants in the Cartesian system, or you can say, as here we are using the x-axis and y-axis. This is called as xy plane, or you can call Cartesian plane, or you can call it as coordinate plane. And both this x-axis and y-axis together are called coordinates. So we will here learn coordinate geometry using xy plane only. And in xy plane there are coordinates, that is x-axis and y-axis. Now another important point of Cartesian system, that is coordinates of a point. Now suppose a point is located in the Cartesian system, as you can see point P are located point P in the Cartesian system. So how see then what is the position of the given point P? The x coordinate of a point is the perpendicular distance from the y-axis. You can see that if you want to see what is the value of x coordinate, it is nothing but a perpendicular distance from y-axis, and we measure the distance along the x-axis. You can see this is perpendicular, so we will take this distance, that is from 0 to 2. So we write the value of x coordinate as 2. It is also called abscissa. This x coordinate is called as abscissa also. So another name of x coordinate is abscissa. Similarly, the y coordinate of a point is the perpendicular distance from the x-axis measured along the y-axis in any of the direction, positive or negative, as we already know what is positive and negative values. And this coordinate, that is this y coordinate, is called as ordinate. So to measure, you have to know the value of y coordinate, that is nothing but the perpendicular distance of y, that is perpendicular distance on x, and we measure it along y. This we are measuring like this. We will measure that this is the perpendicular distance on y axis, and we measure it along the y axis. So for y, we have to take the perpendicular distance on x axis, and vice versa for x. For x coordinate, we take the perpendicular distance on y axis. So here when we see, we get that there are 3 units given on the y or coordinate. So the point P is located at P2, 3. That is the value of x coordinate is 2 and the value of y coordinate is 3. The x coordinate and y coordinate along together are called coordinates of a point and it is denoted by x, y. Now, whenever we are writing the position of the point in the given Cartesian system, we write the coordinates as x, y, where x represents the value of x coordinate and y represents the value of y coordinate. And always x coordinate value is written first in the bracket and y coordinate value is written in the second.
Dear students, please copy all this in your regular CW with neat and clean figure. Thank you.